Welcome to Mofai Dharwad YouTube channel. Here you will watch how to prepare special Udupi sambar in a few minutes. Look at the ingredients. 1 bowl of chopped coconut, garlic, roughly chopped onion and tomato, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 red chilies, hing, 4 teaspoons of roasted groundnut, salt, 1 teaspoon of MTR sambar, chopped brinjal, chopped onion, garlic paste. Use grinder jar to grind coconut, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, roasted groundnut, roughly chopped tomato, onion, red chilies and garlic. Paste is ready to prepare. Heat the oil in utensil. Add little cumin seeds. Chop the onions and brinjal in this shape and add those. Fry little. Add paste of garlic. Fry those properly. Now add hing, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, add little salt, fry little. Pour the paste. Mix it well. Add little water. Add MTR sambar masala, salt, stir it. Boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. Heat the oil in another pan. Let it be heat. Add some cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of MTR sambar powder. Immediately pour it and mix it. Boil it for 3 to 4 minutes again. Very tasty special Udupi sambar is ready. Serve hot special Udupi sambar with rice or chapati.